Own up. To admit that you did something wrong or made a mistake. He owned up to his mistake. I know he broke the window, but he didn't own up. Butt in. To interrupt a conversation or activity. Please don't butt in while I am talking. It's not nice to butt in when others are speaking. Ease off. To reduce in intensity or to become less severe. To slow down. I didn't bring an umbrella, so I waited for the rain to ease off. My headache eased off after I took the medicine. Piss off. To annoy or irritate someone. Stop talking, you are pissing me off. Stop interrupting me, it's pissing me off. Bump up. To increase or raise something, usually by a small amount. They bumped up the price of eggs last week. Can you bump up the heat? It's cold in here. Hang on. To wait for a short time. Hang on, I'll be right back. Hang on, I think I left my phone in the car. Act up. To behave badly, especially for children or pets. Don't act up at the store, behave nicely. Don't act up in front of your grandfather. Do up. To fasten or button something, like clothes, zippers, etc. Please do up your jacket, it's cold outside. Please do up your seatbelt for safety. Do up. To wrap or tie something, like a gift or parcel. I need some tape to do up this package properly. Will you do up this parcel for me? Go through. To experience something bad or difficult. She is going through a tough time right now. I went through a lot of stress last year. Dry off. To remove water or moisture from something. Please dry off your hands before eating. Dry off your hair before going outside. Close down. To stop operating or to shut something completely. The store will close down at 6 p.m. today. Our favorite cafe is going to close down next month. Wind up. To finish or conclude something. It's time to wind up the meeting. Let's wind up this game and go home. Phase out. To remove or stop using something gradually. We will phase out the use of plastic bags. They will phase out the old computer programs. Come up. To occur unexpectedly. Something came up, so I can't attend the meeting. Something came up, so I can't meet you today. Mix up. To confuse two or more things. To combine things together. Don't mix up the two letters, they look similar. Don't mix up the clean and dirty clothes. Stand out. To be noticeable or different from others in a positive way. Her red dress makes her stand out at the party. I want my resume to stand out from the others.